Swerte, may na-parkingan kagad kami. Ang daming tao, daming mga naka-leave pa. Dahil dikit-dikit yung public holiday. Alright. Mini entree, birthday hike. Then later, dinner kami. Nakapag-book na si Nene Boy. Mga 6 PM. 6 PM ang dinner namin. Wala yatang way dyan. Andyan guys, Here, ne? Oh, you wanna go there? Eh, tara.
Tayo, baka magsarili dyan.
Ah, dito na. Oh,
Pero sobrang tayo. Pati mukha.
hindi na nga pitik pa ba yan?
Dad, we're gonna go up that?
It's so hard to run uphill. It's so hard to run uphill. Birthday boy.
We're gonna go back again. I'm gonna run
Happy
again.
birthday.
Happy birthday, bro. We're gonna go back again, bro.
Yeah.
It looks like the map of Australia. Pala dito kami po.
No, it doesn't.
Galing ano?
Galing, di ba? Galing naman, di. Ba't di nakita mo gumagalaw?
Right, search up how long Philippines got conquered by Spain. It's actually very long.
333 years.
It took a long time. You know?
Yeah, it is.
From 15, I think it's 15 something.
14th century.
No, it isn't. It's 1500s.
15th ba?
15. Yeah.
Like about to be 1600. I think it's like 1592.
Oh.
Sa 1500, doon dumaan sa ano.
And after that,
Sa Mactan, Cebu.
until like 18 something. Bro, that is so long.
Dahil ba tayo sa second falls? Hindi na. O, may na lang.
Nah.
Pagbalik.
We get back.
Okay. Oh. Dito pa lang medyo steep na ng konti. Mag-rolling. Tapos midway another paahon. Ay, gusto ni Nene Boy dito dahil lakas makatagtag. Conserve your energy, bro.
No, I'm spending all of it, bro.
Konting view.
So easily.
Okay, I know you can. My mom is just worried. Paiwan uli eh. Habol na lang daw siya.
Tatakbo ba ka?
Oo.
Mainit mo.
Oh.
So,
Right there it is. Oh, we almost
What is
stepped on it. We almost stepped on it. Yeah,
Where?
dito. Meron dito.
1.3 kilometers.
Ayun, konti na lang.
1.25 kilometers.
मेरा नाम ना पाया पब्लिक रिलेशन ऑफिसर
Kasi mas marami. Ay,
motivation now. I'm gonna beat it before you.
ay, ang
I'll beat it before you.
Ha?
I got motivation. I'll beat.
Gamit for mom.
sinipag ka na lang din mag-hike.
Oo nga.
Ito na lang. Nasa labasan na lang. Mas mahirap na lang din. Yun na lang tayo pag ano, mga LSD ganyan.
No, kaya. Easy as na, easy as. Grabe to. Yun na wala ngayon eh, yung oras. Kaysa mag-ensayo ko na solo. Mas gusto ko na lang na samahang mag-ensayo si Nene Boy. Kasi hindi niya magagawa to ng solo niya. Okay. Okay.
गोपी ने हो जाना जब दा सेट
Panahon ng mahal na araw.
हैं
Makapaka to.
how
That's tough, man.
how do is lost how long
Up to the summit.
oh
Up to the summit.
yeah
But that part,
oh
maybe with your speed,
okay
maybe 15 minutes.
huh
15 minutes?
15 minutes
Yeah.
left
Yeah,
oh
with your speed.
yeah.
Yeah. Bike track, gravel bike or mountain bike, pwede dyan. Taron. Gravel bike. Kaya, siguro kung ako magkakaroon ng bisikleta uli, malamang komang gravel bike na bubuin ko. So sa trail na to, no biking. Pero doon, pwede ka mag-bike. Ayun.
Sound yun yung ano.
Doon na yun. Tumawid na yun. So Audrey siguro mga 10 minutes, 15 minutes ago pa siya nasa taas. Maganda yun no? Ni-strengthen na natin yung lower body natin, mga joints. Para pagdating na po pwede na tayong mag light jog. Ano na tayo, medyo hindi naman bibigla yung mga joints natin. Ruta na to, mga pwedeng road bike, pahon yan. So para siyang Mount Faber. Kaya lang mabibili sa mga sasakyan. Kaya maganda mag-bike yan pag grupo kayo para madali kayong makita ng mga kotse o mga truck. Konti na lang. Nasa last stage na tayo. Last segment na. Konti na lang, kape na. Yun. Cyclist. So sa taas pit stop nila yun. Summit. Yung iba dyan nagkakape. Alam nyo na mga siklista mahilig magkape. So dyan ang pit stop nila, kape. Chika-chika, chismisan ng konti. Matira ng buhay ng ibang tao. Tapos baba na. Alright. Grabe. Ha? Why didn't you go to the shade? When did you arrive?
So easy, bro.
Tapos dumating.
I sprinted at the start.
Ayun.
You're about already.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, it's just right there.
We
Let's
have to
go.
wait for mom.
Let's go. Okay. Pit stop din kami. Kain tayo?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, kain. Kain lang kami. Going to have a light meal.
Or still important.
Then, baba na kami after. Ihi muna ako.
Happy birthday! Excited ka na sa dinner?
Tsaka coffee. Coffee. Kaya dahilan namin para makapag-coffee. Ganun siya. Pababa na kami. Another 1 hour or so to go. Going down.
It's so easy. I can probably hang on that. Should I
The
try?
one on the right.
Okay.
The one on the right.
Try to hang
Okay,
on.
try mo.
The one on the right.
Should I try to hang on?
Oh, go.
Oh no, that's gonna. Oh, that's gonna.
On your mark, come on. I'll you count. On your mark. Set. Go. There's no beating you, dude. Woo. Oh, finally. Up here. Yeah. We're small.
Ano mo lang?
What did I say? Oh, shoot. My bad. Shoot.
Happy birthday, Andre.
Thank you.
How was the dinner?
It was great.
Was it?
Yeah. It was expensive though.
You don't need to say the price.
No, I'm kidding.